Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to write a service page that will rank in Google. Say you want to rank for the keyword plumber Barry. I'm going to pretend that SureFlow Plumbing and Drain is the company that I'm doing work for, and I want to create a service page based on that keyword. What you need to do is pull up a few of the competitors, 2 or 3 of the competitors' sites. These are the ones I'm using for example. You want to go to that page. You want to grab all of the content. You want to go to your About page. You want to grab all of the information on your About page. Go to ChatGPT. I have the paid version, so I'm able to use ChatGPT 4, but ChatGPT 3.5, which is the free version, is more than enough. You're going to type in summarize this content. You're going to paste in all of your About page information. ChatGPT is now going to summarize it. Once that's done, you're going to go over to your competitors' pages. You're going to highlight their content. You're going to copy that. Pull up a notepad. I'm just going to paste it into a notepad. And I'm going to go to my other competitors' page. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to highlight all the content. Go back to my text file. Paste that in. What we're going to do is we're going to grab all this, Control A, Control C. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. We're going to say, summarize this content. Paste it in. Let ChatGPT summarize the content. Now we're going to tell ChatGPT to write a service page about plumber Barry and include the first summary that you created. Replace the business name with SureFlow. ChatGPT is now going to take all of the About Us information and the competitor information and incorporate it into a service page. As you can see, it created a pretty decent service page with a lot of good H2s, H3s, and good information that you can now copy and paste into a new service page for that keyword. I hope this has been helpful. I'll leave the ChatGPT prompts in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.